Welcome guys as we do the problem that is before us, and I read the question. So for theta, cot 2 theta plus cot theta is equals to 1, where theta is supposed to be between 0 and 360. And so guys, we now do this question, and guys, I can start off writing cot 2 theta as 1 all over tan 2 theta, plus I can also write cot as 1 over tan theta. So this gives us 1. So the next thing guys, I'm going to use the double angle formula for tan, whereby now guys, this is now going to be 1 all over 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta, like that. Plus, I come now and write 1 all over, just write tan there, tan theta. This gives us now 1. From there guys, I can now put this term on the upper side. And so therefore guys, we shall have 1 minus tan squared theta all over 2 tan theta, now plus 1 over tan theta. This gives us 1, like that. Guys, I can say let x be equal to tan theta. But remember guys, we shall still go back to theta. So now we express all this in terms of x. And so therefore we shall have 1 minus, this now comes to x squared all over 2x plus 1 all over x. And this one now comes to 1. Guys, we can now evaluate this left part, and we shall have, here we have 2x. So here we shall have 1 minus x squared, that, plus this one now comes to 2. That is, this will now come to 2. This is equals to 1. And so therefore guys, we can now cross multiplication, of which guys we shall have 1 minus x squared plus 2 equals to 2x. And now guys, we can now write this as quadratic formula, whereby we can bring x this side and all these terms this side, but literally, not literally, because guys, I will still write on this side, but now change the signs. It will be that. And now for this is going to be negative 3, like that. And now plus 2x. This is equals to 0. Just to write it in a better way, guys, this comes to x squared plus 2x, now minus 3 equals to 0. Guys, since we have a simple quadratic equation here, I can just write the solution, because I believe all of us are familiar with this, because we have done a lot of quadratic equation. So x becomes x equals to negative 3, or x is equals to 1. So guys, see to it that you get that. So let's continue. Guys, now we go back to what we said, that let x be equal to tan theta. And so therefore guys, if we check now for theta, we shall take now -3. Here we have -3. So guys, now we deal with -3 is equals to tan theta. And this one, guys, will give us 70 if we take tan inverse of -3. Guys, this comes to 71.56, and this one can be represented by that. So we can have that at 71.56. That is on the, this is now going to be negative, and so therefore we are dealing with this here. That is negative 71.56. And since we are asked from 0 to 360, guys, then we take away 360. That is 7. So we move from here and we shall go like that until we reach there. And this one, guys, this one comes to 288.4 degrees. And so therefore, this is our first solution, guys. That is when we take x as -3. And now, guys, we still have another solution. And now this other now goes through this. Because as you know, this side, the tan is also negative. So this one will come now from here up to there, where we say 180 now minus 71.3. This one now gives us 108.44. So guys, this is also another solution for theta. That is theta. And this is also a solution for theta. Guys, now coming to this other side, we have 1 is equals to tan theta. And therefore, guys, tan inverse 1, this one comes to 45. And so therefore, our angle here is going to be 45 like that. That is the first angle we have, 45. And it's supposed to be positive. So we check on the other side where tan is positive, and it's at that point. So the other angle, guys, is going to be here. So we take away, we add 180 plus 45. This one now gives us 225 degrees. And therefore, guys, this is also our theta. So, guys, we have 4 solutions, and that is the first one we're going to have is 288.4 degrees. We also have 108.4 degrees, and we have 45. And finally, we have 225. So guys, these are our solution. So thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.